Hello, my dear students. How are you all? So, I hope you all would be doing really great. So, students, in our last video, we talked about one of the very important examination, that is SAT examination, Scholarship Assessment Test. That examination was for students who are currently in class 11th, 12th, and 10th, and who want to pursue their career outside India. And the colleges which take admission through SAT were, as we discussed yesterday, were colleges based in US, Canada, Australia, as well as UK. So today we bring to you another very important examination, that is ACT examination. The full form of examination is American College Testing. And as the name suggests, it is very helpful if you want to get admission in colleges in America. So this examination is being conducted. It is a we will just discuss about this in this particular video. This is a standard test that is accepted by most US universities. It is one of the major parameters that determine the admission of a student to most universities and colleges across ACT. So if you are a student who want to pursue his career in USA, then ACT 2022 will be a very good option for you. Important universities which take admission through this are University of Massachusetts, uh, Oregon State University, University of Illinois, Auburn University, Washington State University, New Jersey Institute of Technology, and many more. So, students, this video would gonna be very useful for you. So, I request you to kindly pay attention to this particular video, and you can make notes also from the page which I am sharing. So, as it is given in this particular video, that over 1,200 universities, approximately more than 1,000 universities take admission of their undergraduate college through ACT 2022. So, as it is given here also that over 1,200 universities have made ACT requirement optional, that you can, if you are opting for ACT, then you can give that particular examination. So we will just move ahead now with this. Now, if we talk about the highlights of this particular program, if I talk about, so the name of this particular program is ACT, and this particular program is being conducted by ACT. The body's name is ACT Inc. Exam level is international, that students who are living in USA or the students who are living in other countries like Canada, India, UK, all over the countries can participate in this examination. Examination mode, this is very important for you, both paper based and computer based. So you can go for this examination in both mode. You can go for this examination online mode, as well as you can go for this examination in offline mode. So you can give this examination in both mode, online as well as offline. And if you talk about the duration of this particular examination, then as you can see that this particular examination duration is 2 hours and 55 minutes. Approximately 3 hours duration is here. And if you're opting for essay part, then 40 minutes of essay is also will be included into your time. If you talk about the sections of this particular examination sections, then you can see that sections are English, then there is a reading section, then there is a math section, science section, and writing section. So overall, 1, 2, 3, and 4 section will be the part of this particular test. So there will be a 4 test and 1 essay that will comprise the overall part of this set. There is no negative marking. As we can say NA, there is absolutely no negative marking, that there is no answer which you can attract a negative marking. So this is very important, you write it down, that there is no negative marking in it. And the total number of questions which are being asked is around 215 questions which are being asked with one essay. So if you're opting for essay, then you have to apply for the essay also. Now we move ahead. Now if I talk about the let me just erase it. If I just talk about the important dates for this particular examination, then you can see that here, if we talk about dates, then ACT registration last date, will be around 14 January 2022. So students, if you are a part of curriculum in class 11th or 12th or class 10, then still you have time to apply for ACT examination. Test dates will be 11th of February and 12th of February 2022. So students, this is the right time for you to prepare for this examination. And registration, if you're not able to do registration with time, then 28 January 2022 you can register till now, but you will be then will be charged with a late particular fees. So this particular thing you can do. So this is our first particular set of examination. If you are not able to do examination in January, then you can give that examination in March. After that, 2 months after that, you can give in May also, and then in June also. So as you can see in this video, that we can say that there are four tests of this particular ACT in entire year. So you can have the chance to give this time four times. You can give this particular test. So this is very important. I request you to, you can just pause the video and you can make the notes of this particular thing which I am doing here. These notes would be very important for you because you can write down the important dates for ACT as it would really help you to apply for ACT examination. So now we will move ahead after discussing about the dates. So now students, we move ahead with this with our dates. Now we will talk about the fees to write this particular examination. That if you want to write this examination, that look, if you do not opt for writing part, then if you are a US citizen, then your fees will be $55, and if you are an international student, then the fees will be around $150. So I think it's a little costly for if the students is outside India, because if $150, if you are part of India and you multiply it by around 75, so that thing, it's a quite program which is on a higher side, means the application fees would be more than rupees 10,000 rupees. So I think it's a very high fees if you are part of India. But if you are a US citizen, or if you are the citizen of Canada or some other country, $55 would be I think a reasonable price for you to apply for it. Then if you go for the writing part, essay part also, then the fees will be $70, and outside US fees will be 166.50. If you go for late registration, then the fees for late registration will be around $35 for this particular program. If you want to apply for, if you go for late, and if sending reports to fifth and sixth colleges, if you want to send your reports to other colleges, look students, there is a provision that after conducting this particular examination, if you want to send your score to different universities, then per university you can pay the price of $13 if you are in US students or you are an outside Indian students. So I think student, this would, I request you to kindly note this down, the fees part also, because this is very important for you to understand the fees currently. So you can, I think you can just stop the video and you can write it down. And now we will move ahead to discuss about the further points of this particular examination. I just want to discuss how the way the syllabus comes. So let me just try to analyze the syllabus. Yeah, so now let us just discuss about the syllabus part. This is very important part of this particular examination. In this video, you will get the idea that what all parts the paper will consist of, and what exactly will be the syllabus. So if I talk about the exam syllabus, first of all, let us discuss about English test syllabus. So English test consists of 5 passages with 15 questions. Students, please note it down. We have 5 passages and 15 questions per package will be there. And each of these questions will measure your grammar, punctuation, sentence formation, and comprehension. So mostly questions will be asked from grammar, punctuation, sentence formation, and comprehension. And they will check about your language expertise. They will check about your management of writing, and they will check about your comprehensiveness. After that, if we come to further, if we move ahead and if we come to our mathematics part, then in mathematics, as you can see here, mathematics, the syllabus covered in mathematics will be around pre-algebra. There will be a part of pre-algebra around 14 questions. Then there will be elementary algebra around 10 questions. International algebra, my pardon, intermediate algebra 10 questions. Coordinate geometry there will be 9 questions. Plane geometry there will be 14 questions. After that trigonometry there will be 14 questions. So this is the comprehensive list. Apart from that, you can also expect questions from area. You can also expect questions from surface area. You can also expect questions from volume. These parts are not written here, but these questions you will expect from these also. Moreover, there will be questions from probability. I'm writing it, so you can stop the video and you can note it down. There will be question from probability. There will be question from permutations and combinations. So this is an exhaustive list. Other kind of papers I have written here. These syllabus parts are also included. So you can take the notes of this maths part. Now, if we talk about this is completely about mathematics. If now we move ahead and now we will discuss about reading test, that if you what kind of questions you will expect in reading test. So now let me just see. So this section consists of 4 different patches and there will be around 10 questions each. So as you see in this writing test also we had 4 passages, and in reading test also we will have passages. So passages will be a very key part of this particular examination, and they will check about the main idea gets the higher consideration. Structure is very important, and integration and analysis of package will be important. And look students, syllabus will be social science here, natural science here, humanities and literary fiction. So these will be the part of reading test. So these will be the particular topics which you can say you will get questions of. So this is important. You can write it down. And my students, this is now the thing which is coming is very important, that we will have a science section also in this particular examination. Look students, this is very important for you to note down, because science test is also there. You look in yesterday video which we have discussed about SAT, there was no science section in SAT, but ACT do have a science test. So let us just discuss about science test. So science test will cover subject like physics, it will have biology, it will have chemistry, it will have earth sciences. So look, apart from physics, chemistry and biology, they will ask questions from earth science also. So this is a very important part, and there will be around 2 and 3 charts and graphs which you have to analyze. Then look, this is very important, 2 and 3 science experiment passages. So they will give you science experiment and questions based on that science experiment will be asked to you. Look, the kind of way ACT is moving students, this is very important for you to write down and understand that ACT, apart from your reading, writing skills, apart from your mathematical skills, they also want to test your analytical skills, your reasoning skills. That's why they have given this science test. This is a unique kind of program. ACT is a very unique kind of program, and they try to make you more intelligent. So they have given science test also. So students, kindly make the note of this. I would seriously recommend students, you stop the video, you pause the video here and you write down this science test also. Now we will just move ahead and we will discuss about that. If we talk about the writing test, then in this particular writing section, we will have writing section is opted by most of the test takers. So as we have discussed that it is not compulsory part, it is a optional part for you to pick this particular writing test or not. This is a completely optional, but generally people take this particular part, and there will be, it measures your writing ability in terms of coherence, structure and grammar correction. So you will be judged on these particular parameters, and you will be given a detailable passage with 3 different perspectives. You are expected to take a position on the issue. So what it will be like that they will give you a particular passage. It would be around 500 or 1000 words, and then you have to analyze the passage, and after analyzing the passage you have to give your opinion. What do you think about the passage? So that would be asked in that, and your particular analysis will be around 500 or 600 words, which you can mention. So they will check. And students, please note down that you have to check on this structure, grammatical correction in the kind of answer which you give here. So request you to kindly note this down also. Let me see if there is something more important. Now, students, this is very important again. What is a good ACT score? That suppose you have given this particular examination. So what is good ACT score which you can get? Good ACT score. So a good ACT score will definitely get you a good university, a good college in US. So look, each section of exam receive a score between 1 and 36. So in all the particular examination, you will get score between 1 and 36. So if you have, look here, if you have score above 31, if you have score more than 31 in each section, okay, more than 31, I'm writing it also down, more than 31 in each section, if you have this particular score, then that would be very important for you. It would be willing you to give you a very good college. Okay. So this ACT score, you kindly write it down, and you have to get this particular score. So in this way, we can break up our particular sections, and we can break up our particular examination. So I request you to kindly note it down, and let me just see what is more in this particular video. So test dates, we have already discussed what will be the important test dates, and we have also discussed about the particular examination pattern. We have also discussed about the kind of syllabus which is gonna come in this particular examination. So students, final thing is that if you want to pursue your bachelor degree abroad, these are my final words here, that if you want to pursue your bachelor's degree abroad and read our comprehensive guide on ACT test, which is a close competitor of SAT. Look, most of the universities in US will be taking admissions either through SAT or through ACT. So we have given both the videos to you. You can see our both videos. You can analyze and compare our videos. You can analyze the syllabus of ACT. You can analyze the syllabus of SAT. And then you can opt for this particular examination, because this is gonna making your life, okay, students. This would be a career changing option for you, a career changing result for you, if you go for this particular examination, if you have that particular passion, if you have that particular goal, that particular zeal, that you want to go outside and build a great career for you, then definitely ACT and SAT are good option for you. So students, at the end, I would just like to add this particular point, that if you have liked our today's video, then I request you to kindly recommend and share this among your friends who wanted to be a part of good university, good colleges. And if you have any particular doubt regarding this particular video, any particular query in this video, you can comment in the section below. And if there will be any doubt, we would be ready to help you in that doubt. So I wish all my students a very happy new year. I wish all my students all the best for their further career. Till then, thank you very much. Okay.